Hello guys and welcome back into new brand video. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to share drafts with friends on Instagram edits. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe, leave a like and drop a comment. So let's begin. Now we will be needing to go to our projects page here on the edits. And as you can see, we can only have these five tabs on the Instagram edits. It is the idea tabs, inspiration, and projects, and recording, and sound. So here we will find our project that we have in our Instagram edits. And don't forget that Instagram edits is also linked with your Instagram. So you have only two options. Either you can start like having, saving your projects from Instagram edits and then send it to your friends. That means you will be needing just to go to the projects and from there you will be needing to click on export. And by clicking on export, it will be saved to your camera roll. So as you can see here, this video was saved to your camera roll. So now we will be needing just to go to the camera roll, which means go to the tools and then just search for the files in your camera rolls. After that, you will be able to start sharing it as you are doing with any other file. You will need just to click on it, then just go to share and then share it by Instagram or share it on WhatsApp or anywhere. Otherwise, you can simply go to your Instagram and then go to your projects. And from there, you will be needing to choose anyone that you would like, and then you can start sending your drafts to your friends. So you will have, for example, this project that has been already saved to my role, and then you will be needing to save it as drafts, and then you can be able to start sending it. So thank you for watching and see you next time.